Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view this presentation. ROTOSOL is a supplier of pasteurization and sterilization equipment for low moisture foods. The ROTOSOL equipment is particularly well suited for products such as seeds, herbs, flour, grains, spices, botanicals, roots, and powders. In this video, we will show you the specifics of our ROTOSOL sterilizers and why they are particularly well suited for treating free-flowing low moisture foods. The ROTOSOL process is a thermal process that applies dry saturated steam. Of all thermal treatments, dry saturated steam is the most effective heat transfer medium and the most effective thermal process to reduce total plate count. Dry saturation steam has allowed us to validate our plants for above 5 log reduction in pathogens such as Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria on a very wide range of products. The ROTOSOL technology offers a natural microbial reduction process. The ROTOSOL is a rotating autoclave in which the product is kept free-flowing throughout the pasteurization process. The layout of the sterilizer ideally allows bulk loading and unloading through gravity. Product transfer is dust-free thanks to airtight connecting points. Here is a 3D drawing of the layout of the line. The top section shows the position of the load bin in which the product to be pasteurized has been loaded. The product is dropped into the pasteurizer through the load door of the autoclave. The autoclave is shown in the middle section of the drawing, and the bottom section shows the unload bin which collects the pasteurized product released from the unload door of the autoclave. This is a photo of a ROTOSOL installation showing the top load section, the middle sterilizer section, and the bottom unload section. Each ROTOSOL unit is purpose-built and pasteurizer sizes with capacities ranging from 200 kilograms an hour to 700 kilograms an hour and 2000 kilograms an hour, depending on the bulk density of the product are available. The autoclave is rotating into position below the load hopper. A tight connection is made between the load door and the hopper. Once the load door opens, the product slides from the load hopper into the autoclave in a few seconds. Once the load is in the autoclave, the load door closes and the autoclave starts to rotate. The rotation is off-center, causing each side of the autoclave to alternate in being higher than the other side. This view from inside the loaded autoclave shows the product rolling off the mirror-polished heated autoclave walls. The rotation motion with the alternating rise and drop of each side of the autoclave provides for a perfect blending of the load. In the autoclave, an initial deep vacuum is pulled to remove all air from the load. High pressure steam is then injected and instantaneously and evenly spreads through the load, raising pressure and temperature. Steam condenses on the surface of the product, killing the bacteria. Once the pasteurization is completed, the autoclave rotates into the unload position and connects to the unload bin through an airtight connection. The product flows out of the unload bin through gravity. The blending motion is very important for these low moisture foods, particularly seeds and powders, because it keeps the product free flowing and avoids clumping. Dry saturated steam does not wet the product. The product comes out of the pasteurizer dry. No drying step is needed. The layout of the plant allows for a complete separation of the raw room and the clean room side. Load hopper and autoclave load door are on the raw room side of a separation wall. After pasteurization, the clean pasteurized product is unloaded through the autoclave unload door into the clean room on the other side of the separation wall. The entire line is equipped with an automated clean in-place system which ensures complete cleaning of the line and reduces product changeover time. In addition, easy access to the inside of the autoclave for inspection and swabbing is provided by an inspection hatch. The ROTOSOL provides a high microbial reduction performance thanks to saturated steam efficacy. The dry saturated steam prevents moisture pickup and no drying is necessary. The product remains free-flowing without wet residues and clumping. Loading and unloading is fast and efficient. Efficient CIP and raw room and clean room separation ensure that there is no cross-contamination. The batch process ensures full traceability of each load. ROTOSOL is the equipment of choice for your pasteurization and sterilization needs. NaPoSol offers a unique solution for the pasteurization of seeds, spices, and powders. It has the most effective microbiological reduction performance with the product maintaining its raw qualities, with a high log reduction in total plate count and a validated process for 5 log reduction on pathogens. If you are interested in our technology and have any questions, please reach out to us at safefood@naposol.com or call us, and be sure to visit our website at www.naposol.com. Thank you for taking the time to view this presentation.